Right, so I'm going to show you how to enable the shelf on your OnePlus 15. Now the shelf is basically a collection of widgets and shortcuts. And if you haven't set it up already, then as soon as you swipe from somewhere in the middle of the screen, on the home screen, you will see welcome to shelf. So you need to agree and continue. And then there you go. There you have your shelf with a collection of widgets. Some of your favorite widgets are going to be here, and yeah, and shortcuts. So you can actually customize the shelf by going to settings and choose customize layout. And then from here, you can turn recommended services on or off, depending on what you want. I'm just going to leave that on. But if you go to the shelf, you can actually add or remove items from the shelf. So if you want to remove an item, so for instance, if you want to remove this item, you long press on it and then select not interested. Okay. And also if you want to add a widget, you just tap on the plus icon in the top right corner and select that widget you want to add. Let's say that's the phone manager. It's going to have several widgets. Choose the one you want and then tap on add, and that's going to get added to your shelf. So anytime you want to access this shelf quickly, just swipe down. Okay. Now, you also, in case you're swiping down and something else is happening apart from the shelf, you can long press on the home screen and then tap on home screen settings. Under home screen settings, you will see the option swipe down on home screen. That should be set to shelf. In case it's not, maybe it's on global search or notifications and quick settings, make sure it says shelf here so that when you swipe down, you access the shelf. That is basically how to enable and set it up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.